care, we turn to our good news story. It comes from Dakshin Kannada district, which has done pretty well during the outbreak of the coronavirus in the first wave, but has not been that lucky in the second wave. The resilience being shown by the citizens here, though, has held them firm. How has Dakshin Kannada achieved in COVID times an element of normalcy? Nolan Pinto with today's good news story.
Dakshina Kannada district is one of the worst affected areas of Karnataka. And Mangaluru, its headquarters, is facing the brunt of the pandemic. As COVID tightens its grip on the city, Mangalorians have come out in full force to help authorities to fight the virus. At the Lady Hill Higher Primary School, teachers are being vaccinated in an initiative taken up by citizens.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯೋಜಿಸೋದಾಗಿದೆ. 18 to 44 ಈ ಏಜ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಏಜ್ ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅನೆಕ್ಷರ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಅನೆಕ್ಷರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
The state government has reset its vaccination plan for 18 plus to June 1 onwards. But at the Kasturba Medical College, private players have started vaccinating the age group by directly buying doses from Serum Institute. Every day they are vaccinating approximately 3,000 people.
The idea is basically we want everybody to complete the entire process from registration to the completion of the jab and the waiting period within 35 minutes. Say for example, 5 minutes is something which we are looking at from parking to the jab, and after that 30 minutes mandatory period of waiting which is required by as per the norms. So 35 is the minute is the target that we are looking at, and we have started this facility right now with 8 booths, and we have opened now 6 booths, and after that we are going to ramp it up to a capacity of around 2,500 to 3,000 jab per day.
The poor who have been most battered by the lockdown are being helped by NGOs. At this government lady Goshen hospital, we found citizens providing food to a large number of people.
जो लॉकडाउन चालू हुआ तभी से हम लोग जो मैंगलोर सिटी का अंदर दोपहर को रात को कम से कम 3,000 से 3,500 जन को जो दोपहर का और रात का खाना देते, वैसे ही शाम का टाइम में 600 से 700 जन को जो नाश्ता दे रहे हैं.
Youngsters are also pitching in. These 2 Class 12 students have launched a COVID-19 website that aggregates useful information.
We realized there was no proper COVID-19 website for Mangalore. There are a few databases out there, but our main goal was to create a database with as many resources we could find and make it as user-friendly, easily accessible and interactive for our users, especially the elders.
The feedback so far has been excellent, and we have also received a lot of helpful suggestions which we are working on implementing.
So in the coastal part of Karnataka, it's all about collaboration. People coming out to help others in these desperate times, from trying to vaccinate a majority of the population to helping those who do not have food. Clearly, as of today, humanity has triumphed in this district. With video journalist Madhuwar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.